Good evening, students. Today I would like to discuss with you assertion and reasoning. What are the four options given under it, and in what way you can compare those four options with the two statements given. Okay. So here are two statements. Assertion, in the sense it's statement. What is the statement? Today Independence Day. We all know we all celebrated Independence Day today. Okay. Then reason. What is the reason for today's Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day as we got freedom from Britishers on 15th August 1947. This reason is correct. Why we celebrate Independence Day? Because we got freedom from the Britishers. So assertion is correct and reasoning is also correct. Now let us look at the options. So in assertion and reasoning, you will get four options. Mark the option which is most suitable. First one, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So whatever statement I said now, is it true or not? Today is Independence Day, so assertion true. Then reason, we got freedom from Britishers on 15th August, so reason also true. Then what is the third point here? Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Yes or no? Reason is matching with the assertion point. So our option is A. A becomes correct answer here. Suppose both assertion and reason are true, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Suppose if I give reason as today we are unable to attend Independence Day due to pandemic situation. So reason is not exactly true to the Independence Day one. We celebrate Independence Day because we got freedom from the Britishers. It's not that we are at home. Okay, both should match with each other. Wait, I'll write and I'll show you. Now have a look at this statement. Assertion, today Independence Day, true. Reason, online classes are going on due to pandemic situation. Reason also true. Yes. Assertion is true, reason is true. But is there any link between the assertion and the reasoning here? There is no link. Okay. Now we'll go to the second option. So this is your second option. Assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Understood the second point? Now third one. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Suppose if I give the statement today Independence Day, then second statement today is a sunny day. Is there any link? At the same time assertion is true. Today Independence Day, whereas reason is it sunny day today? It's cloudy, raining, going on raining, no? So reason is false. Suppose then comes the fourth statement. Assertion and reason are false. Suppose if I say today Republic Day, assertion false. Today it's a sunny day, reason also false. Understood? So you need to match the statement with the reasoning, assertion with the reasoning, both separately and then in comparison with each other also. Now have a look at the statement from your lesson now. In our, the peasants were led by Alluri Sitaramaraju. Is assertion true? No, it is false. First point, assertion is false. Second one, the movement here was against Kisan Out Sabha. Is it true? Even this is also false. Because the non-cooperation movement, to start the non-cooperation movement in villages, Baba Ramachandra and Jawaharlal Nehru both have set up the Out Kisan Sabha. Got it? So both are wrong. So your answer is both assertion and reason are false. So answer is both assertion and reason are false. Hope you have understood. Still, if you have any doubts, you can call me, you can message me, you can clarify your doubts. I have released a worksheet on assertion and reasoning. It's from lesson 1 and 2, through 2 also. So go through all the points and you need to write which option will come for that, A, B, C or D. Answer sheet, based on your responses, I will release answer key also. I have answer key also with me, but first I want responses from you all. Still you have doubts, you can call me, you can contact me. Thank you.